this would be something as if you had purchased this at a thrift store or something, or you're a restorer. Finish is a little old, tired. It's got some stains throughout. It's got the wear along the edges. I have a little 220, and I just want to smooth off the rough edges. So I'm just doing this just for kind of a little test. So what I'm going to do is just use the Lubricite 77 on this without a cleaning, without a polishing. I will feather sand the corners. I mean, I'm just gonna dust it off, but it's dirty. You can see but I'll show you how the Lubricite works. Gonna charge it again. Not gonna charge it as much as I did the top because it's a different job. That's about as much as I'm gonna want. And the way I made this pad is behind my finger. So I'm gonna really use the touch of my finger. It's thin. The back of the heel has that whole pad, but I'm not doing the top. So I'm putting it on a little more liberally, kind of the way shellac is put on when you do that French polish. A thicker coat of shellac, like a 2-pound cut, 2 or 3-pound cut, but this is still super thin. It's not as thick. But see how it automatically starts to revive the finish, settles it, and this is reviving and reconditioning an original surface.